Calling a function of a module by using its name, a string. How do I call a function using a string with the function's name? For example,
given a module foo with method bar. Getter can similarly be used on class instance-bound methods, module-level methods, class methods. The list goes on.
Using locals, which returns a dictionary with the current local symbol table. Using globals, which returns a dictionary with the global symbol table.
Based on Patrick's solution, to get the module dynamically as well, import it using
just a simple contribution. If the class that we need to instance is in the same file, we can use something like this. For example, and, if not a class,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.